Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can make your very own Roblox dominus that's even cheaper than the last one. Now I already made a video on this, but I'm gonna show you how you can make your own dominus areas. As you can see, it looks such like a dominus area. So if you don't know what the dominus area is, then I'm gonna be looking it up now. No, not non-games and catalog quickly. Okay. This is the dominus areas right here. So yeah, this dominus areas is a load of robux, as you can see right there. Okay. So further, I'm gonna go on my avatar, and just look at this. Look how much they look like they're dominus. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you how you can make your own Roblox dominus right now. So guys, stay tuned. Okay. So the first one you want to type up is I believe it's called blind rogue or something like that in catalog. Okay, so it's in catalog, guys. Here it is, blind rogue. It's just 30 robux. So yeah, the blind rogue by Roblox, 30 robux. You want to buy this, and if you don't have enough, guys, I'm gonna be telling you how you can afford this for free, but no hacks. Okay, guys. So doesn't this look like the dominus areas? Okay, so now you wanna go on this one. It's called Exo's Fact Helmet. So when you want to buy that as well, then if you go down here, you'll see the braided destiny of, I don't know how to pronounce that. Then you buy that, then you put it on your avatar. But if you want, you could search up dominus buttons in the catalog. You could type up dominus buttons and clothing, and yeah, there's gonna be loads of them, loads. So yeah, guys. So guys, once you've done that, you're gonna go on your avatar and equip those items, and keep on watching because I'm gonna show you how you can get these items for free if you can't afford it with no hacks. Okay. Let's do the braided destiny of whatever it's called. And as you can see, it looks like the size of dominus. So now if we put on the blind rogue, actually what does it look like when just this? So that's what it looks like when it's just like that. What about this astronaut helmet thingy? Oh, that looks really cool. Okay, so now guys, I want to equip it all, and look at this, guys. Boom! That's a dominus right there. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, if it helps you out, leave a like. And also, wait. Okay, so I'm gonna be telling you how you can get these items for free. So I'll tell you. But first, let's get this video up to at least just 2 likes, and I'll tell you guys how to get these items. Goodbye.